Hi, my name is Paul, and today I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to change a simple household receptacle. Uh, Perhaps you want to update the plugs in your house or change the color. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. The materials that you need for this you could get at a Lowe's or Home Depot. Just a regular receptacle, looks just like this. And first thing you're going to do is, if you don't have a voltage tester or an electrician's meter, just use a simple household lamp like this. Plug it into the receptacle that you want to change. Go to your breaker or fuse box and just check by turning them on or off until you find the one that cuts the lamp off. And when it's off, well, you know that the power's dead to the receptacle. And the first thing you do is remove the cover with a simple flathead screwdriver, just like this. It's got a screw in the center. Remove that and set it to one side. The other tools you'll need, Phillips head screwdriver and a simple wire stripper. You take your Phillips screwdriver, remove the receptacle by loosening the screw at the top and the bottom. Pull the receptacle out. Use your wire stripper to cut the wiring as close to the screws as possible so you keep as much length on the existing wire as you can. Discard the old receptacle, and then we're going to take the new one. You'll notice it has a green screw, 2 gold screws, and 2 silver screws. We're going to go to the wiring and find the bare copper wire. We're going to make a little hook with it, like a C shape or a U shape. And that bare copper wire is going to go around the green screw, just like this. And once we get it around, we're going to take our wire strippers or a pair of pliers, if you have them, and just squeeze that loop so it's kind of tight around the screw. Take your Phillips screwdriver and tighten it on, just like that, nice and snug. And then we're going to take the white wire. You may have 1 or 2 of those, it doesn't matter. You're going to strip about 3/4 of an inch of the white insulation off of that, and just like with the copper wire, you're going to make a U shape or C shape, just like this. And that's going to go around the silver screws. If you have 2 of them, you'll put 1 on each of the 2 silver screws. If you just have 1 white wire, it doesn't matter. Either silver screw will work. Tighten that down nice and tight. We're going to go to the black wire. Again, strip about 3/4 of an inches of the insulation off, and make a little hook or U shape with the wire stripper, and that's going to go around one of the gold screws. And again, if you have 2 of these black wires, you would put 1 around each of the 2 gold screws. So now you've got the new receptacle wired. You're going to carefully push it back into the box, making sure that the bare copper wire doesn't touch any of these screws on the left or right side. Then you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver. Again, we're just going to reverse what we did to start with. We're going to tighten those screws, top and bottom, back into the box until the ears, which is these little metal pieces at the top and bottom of the receptacle, are nice and flush against the drywall or paneling, whatever your wall is made of. We want them to just touch it snug, but not too tight. And just like this, we tighten them. And once we've got that, we're going to take our flathead screwdriver and replace that cover. Again, you've got the screw right here in the center. Tighten it up, and voila, you're finished. So to review, remove the cover, remove the receptacle, cut the wiring close, discard, take your new receptacle, strip about 3/4 of insulation off of the black and the white wires. You're going to take the bare copper wire, wrap it around the green screw tight, tighten the screw. The white wires are going to go to the silver screws, tighten. Black wires to the gold screws, tighten. Replace the receptacle with your Phillips screws at the top and bottom, and then replace your cover, and you're done, and you can move forward. And just to check it, when you finish, plug your lamp back in, turn it on, turn the breaker back on, and you're ready to go.